Want to keep certain photos and videos private on your iPhone? Whether it's personal pictures, screenshots containing sensitive information, or important documents, your iPhone includes a built-in hidden album feature that lets you hide media from your main library. Better yet, the hidden album is protected with Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode, making it a secure place to store private content. In this guide, I will show you how to hide photos and videos on your iPhone, how to access hidden album, and how to unhide them whenever you want. Let's get started. Here's how to hide your photos and videos. Open the Photos app, find the photo or video you want to hide and tap on it. If you want to hide multiple items, tap Select in the top right corner and choose all the photos and videos you want to hide. Next, tap the More button, represented by 3 dots in the upper right corner. Tap Hide. When prompted, tap Hide Photo or Hide Video to confirm. The selected items will immediately disappear from your main library and move to the hidden album. Now to access your hidden media, open the Photos app, tap on Collections, scroll down and tap on Hidden under Utilities section. Authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID or your passcode. You will now see all your hidden photos and videos. If you want to unhide your photos and videos, simply open the hidden folder, tap the photo or video you want to restore or tap Select to choose multiple items. Then tap the More button. From the menu, tap on Unhide. The selected photos and videos will return to your regular photos library. If you don't want the hidden album to appear in the Photos app at all, open the Settings app, scroll down and tap on Apps. Now tap on Photos. Here, tap on Albums. On the next page, turn off the toggle for hidden album. The hidden album will disappear from the Photos app, but your hidden photos and videos will remain safely stored until you enable the option again. And that's how you can hide and unhide photos and videos on your iPhone. It's a quick and easy way to keep private media away from your main photo library while still keeping it securely protected with Face ID or your passcode. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest iPhone tips, tricks and tutorials. Thanks for watching.